This is the dashboard. In this video, I was driving home from a hockey game when I came upon this scene. Now at first, I thought there was a wrong way driver coming at me. But as I looked over the scene, I realized it was actually a car accident. Now I'm not sure how the accident happened, but the car was definitely hit and spun around and left facing in the wrong direction. Now, I don't know any of the details about this accident, but I will say people often pull out in front of traffic from this Popeyes restaurant. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to keep these videos coming your way. And to take care of them.
Spend their money. The hell is this guy?
We got a wrong way driver.
Do we? Yeah? Whoa! Go.
I can't. I'm sitting out in the middle.
That idiot. Turn around somewhere.
That's what I'm gonna do. I think that car just got hit.
Yeah. Yeah. Can you get out?
Yeah.
Damn, lost her wheel.
Hey you. Yeah, you. If you enjoyed this video and want me to continue making these videos, leave a like, leave a comment, share this video, even click that little subscribe button. Come on, you know you wanna.